Looking for the best Polaroid cameras? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 Polaroid cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Polaroid iX29 Red 18.0 megapixel digital camera. Captures high-definition photos and videos. 18 megapixel resolution. Numerous effects, stabilization, and face recognition features. 10x optical zoom and 4x digital. A digital camera from the beloved brand that shoots photos and videos and has a bright, compact design. Requires a microSD memory card which is not included. Can take several seconds to focus, resulting in missed or blurry captures. At number 2. Polaroid SnapTouch Instant Print Digital Camera. LCD display can serve as viewfinder or for photo editing. Stores 13 megapixel photos on SD card for transfer to computer. Integrates with iPhone or Android over Bluetooth for printing. A convenient mix of instant printing capabilities and digital tech. Great for printing fun souvenirs with the option to download photos and print externally. Uses zinc photo paper, which is cheaper than film but still expensive. Prints are only 2 inches by 3 inches with fair, but not outstanding, quality. At number 1. Polaroid Pop 2.03x4 Instant Print Digital Camera. 6 color choices. Very convenient, small enough for your pocket or clutch, and prints instantly without needing a computer. Can use app to personalize beyond the basic, default white border. Different picture settings. Can print photos from almost any device. Super compact, lightweight design makes it ideal for parties and snapping photos on the go. Quality of zinc paper is disappointing to some users. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.